In this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to manage the non-availability time for both your staff as well as clients. So if you have therapists that maybe only work a couple days a week and they're not available others, and that's a permanent fix for them, you can easily add that into the system, same for clients. So first thing you're going to do is make sure you have access to the Scheduler tab. Click the drop-down arrow next to Scheduler and go to Availability Management and click on that. Now we'll be able to set up non-availability for both our clients as well as our employees. Let's start with clients. We can easily just select the zone that our client is in that we need to go to. You may have zones, you may not, depending on your system. Select the client from the drop-down list that you want to create this for. And if something's already been created in here, you'll see it. It's popped up. So I do have a long-term one that I've put in for this particular client that typically on Fridays, they go to school from 7 to noon. So we don't want to schedule appointments during that time because the client's not going to be available. So that's just more of a long-term one that you'll put in there. But especially for clients too, if you needed to add a additional long-term as well because something changed, you can easily do it. Come select long-term, select the days that they wouldn't be available, and then the hours for those days as well. You could put that in there. And then the reason, and then go ahead and then save that, and it will be updated. You can also do short-term. So if your client takes a vacation in August or in July, whatever, go ahead, put your start date of that vacation time as well as the end date, and again, save that, and then that will be added into the system. So I guess I can just put one in here for right now. Go ahead, we'll do the 13th, and we'll take that until just the 31st, and we'll save it just so you can get an idea of what that looks like, right? So obviously we're going to go for this 7/13 to 7/31, they would not be available. If you ever made a mistake or it was incorrect, you need to remove it, just come up here, click the delete button, and that will go away. So that's how you do it for clients. Very, very simple. We'll do the same thing for employees. So we'll click on the employees, select the staff member. So any of these staff members, if you want to put non-availability time for them, you can. So for Holly, it looks like I already put some stuff in here for Thursday or Friday. She wasn't available from 9 to noon and 9 to 2, right? But if any of those changed, we could, again, click on the X. That'll remove it. If we need to add non-available time, we absolutely can. So put that in there, whatever it may be. Friday, maybe she's not available in the afternoons, so we can go 12 p.m. and we'll take that to 5 p.m. as well. Reason, maybe they have school, college, whatever it may be. Type the reason if you want it to display there. If not, you can go ahead and just hit save, and that will update it. You'll see it automatically updated that for us. So very simple to add client non-availability time, either short-term or long-term, as well as your employee non-availability time. So it's very helpful for part-time